A growing guerrilla resistance movement, fueled by increasingly brutal Russian repression, is happening right now in Ukraine. While the previous believed MIDI Russia has been able to gain control over only 20% of Ukraine during the first 4 months of the invasion, it has had significant trouble imposing its own order in those same areas. While much of southern Ukraine fell under Russian control in the opening days and weeks of the war, partisan attacks such as the assassination of a leading collaborator in the Russian-imposed civil-military administration of the Ukrainian city of Kherson on June 24 demonstrate the limits of Russian rule. Russian control over Ukrainian territory stretches from the southwestern city of Kherson on the Black Sea to southern Ukrainian cities like Melitopol, Berdyansk, and Mariupol before arcing up to include most of the eastern region of Donbas. Russian media sources are awash with reports that municipalities controlled by Moscow seek annexation by Russia. Russian occupation authorities have effectively already begun integrating the region through a variety of underhanded means, such as forcing local economic activity to be conducted in rubles, broadcasting Russian TV channels into Ukraine, and setting up supposedly humanitarian links between Russia's ruling United Russia Party and occupation areas in Ukraine. United Russia General Council Secretary Andrei Turchak is a leading figure in Russia's relationship with the territories it controls in Donbas. In what can be seen as a hint of Russia's possible intentions, Turchak has said that United Russia field offices could be set up in newly occupied Russian territories as soon as they are annexed by Russia. New legal aid centers being set up in occupied eastern Ukraine by United Russia could indicate that the Russian ruling party has already begun trying to creep its way into the legal systems of areas of Ukraine controlled by Russia. Ukrainians have not gone along with Russia's designs as Moscow might have hoped. In the first months of Russia's occupation, protests against Russian troops were common. Many officials elected or appointed under the internationally recognized Ukrainian government such as Mayor Ivan Fedorov of Melitopol put themselves at considerable risk by not signing on to Russian collaborationist authorities, even if some of their colleagues did. Attacks on Russian troops and occupation authorities occur frequently and can be quite damaging to Russian forces present in the occupied territories. Before the Russian invasion, when many U.S. intelligence assessments claimed that Ukraine would be overrun in a matter of days if Russia were to invade, the U.S. put significant thought into supporting a grassroots insurgency of Ukrainians to battle Russian occupation forces. While those timeline estimates did not come to pass, Ukrainians have proven to be more than willing to wreak havoc behind the front lines today. Since mid to late April and May, the tempo and intensity of Ukrainian partisan attacks have increased, potentially having a deleterious effect on the morale of Russian troops. The Putin will probably learn the hard way the same lesson which was learned by Hitler. You can never win against a people when they are defending their own homes and country. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.